Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 9th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. I'm just a fool playing with lines. Palantir was up $1.11, 111, up 5.09%, so that's quite a big day. We closed at $22.93. Post-market, we seem to be down by 7 cents. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So basically, last Friday, we closed on this support. So we closed on support, right smack on the support. I'm always amazed that the stock is really behaving in a almost predictable behavior, almost. So today we started right where we left off last Friday and just had a big green candle with a long wick at the top, almost no wick at the bottom. So a little bit of pressure towards the end of the day, I am assuming. So that's fine, but we closed above 22.75. So 22.75 was a resistance that we have been under since July 13th, approximately. So now this has become a support because we were stuck between 21.50 and 22.75. So we were in a congestion zone, part of this channel, part of this bullish channel. And now we broke out of that congestion zone. So hopefully we are going to maintain that tomorrow and for the rest of the week. Let's go see on the 1 hour chart to see what happened. Wow, look at this. Big green candle on the first hour. Boom. And we recovered, and just coincidentally, the body of this first candle just is smack on 22.75. There are no coincidences. Coincidence? I think not. A big green candle for the first hour of the day, and then we continued. Second hour, third hour, and then from the fourth hour, that was enough. So the stock was pushed down a little bit, but we closed higher than the close of the first candle of the day. So quite strong for Palantir to do that. Going back to the daily chart, let's look at our indicators. Stochastic has reached 80, so strong territory. MACD crossed over not too long ago, as you remember. So it crossed over not too long ago and still increasing its velocity. The distance between the blue line and the orange line, expressed by these little stick charts, bar charts here, these little bars. So the length of the bars there describe the distance between the two lines, the blue line and the orange line. Now look at the MI. Quite dramatic decrease in the red line, which is describing the bearishness in the stock. And also today, a nice uptick on the green line, which expresses the bullishness of the stock. Maybe DMI is going to cross over sooner than we thought it would. One thing to keep in mind here, TradingView is telling us that the earning call is going to happen on August 9th. That's not true. It's going to happen on August 12th, sometimes this week. Maybe this is what is happening. There's a run-up, an excitement run-up before the earnings. There is something that we see now ahead of the earnings. So it's fine by us. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. Become a YouTube member of this channel so that you can view my weekly recaps I do every weekend for Tesla and Palantir, where we are looking at the weekly chart for these two stocks. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.